A jolt and then you'll die.
Hey yo, Johnny Poppers, what's poppin'? It's your boy TMV here, and today we are kind of doing an RP slash, I don't know, I guess you can call it a code 0. It's only 4 of us in game. We're just messing around. So yeah.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Come along and hang out with us. Let me unmute them and you all can hear them. Alright, y'all there? Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Okay.
This is donut support, how may
The famous donut support. Alright, so I'm going to be rocking in the 18 Charger with the nice, lovely ghost texture, ghost skinned skin on the Charger. Let's go ahead and hop in. Fire up. Got the beautiful blue lights. Alright. I had a 2704.
Oh fucking shit.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna be 1041, 108.
10-4. 1 chart 32 dispatch.
One Charlie, if you go ahead.
I'm gonna be 10-40, 41 10-8 at this time.
10-4.
Okay. Wow,
Oh
$33
shit,
for
I need to put gas
That's a
in.
steal. $33 a gallon.
I need to put gas in before I run out.
I might want to hurry up. It's on sale right now. $33 a gallon.
Move out of the fucking road.
So usually when I E means what? You're not.
What the?
I don't think this pump actually has a thing.
Your airbags are deployed.
Oh wait, there it was. Ooh. Gonna pull around over here. Putting some gas in real quick. Gotta repair the vehicle because somehow our airbags popped. I hope that's enough. Let's check. Nope. We need a little bit more. Okay. Alright, our gas is full. I think our car also just fixed itself. Wait, did it? Hold on. All the lights are working. I don't know, I'm just gonna leave it.
Aggressive ass.
I'm gonna go run down and check these back roads area and see if I can see anything.
How the heck are you, Brad?
Oh, now my car's acting like it's broken. What the heck?
What happened?
I was just driving my car and it acted like it was stalling for some reason.
Interesting.
I think it might be because I like hit something earlier or something because my airbags went off. But there was
Maybe.
nothing, no damage or anything.
It may be a glitch.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. When is this guy gonna get back? You get out of this piece of shit over here.
Oh. We have explosions.
One chart 32 dispatch.
I'm trying to think you good.
Showed me on scene with a what appears to be a couple camping and right on Zacuto Avenue. Nearest person was 1036. Can I get an additional, please?
Found a big ass plane just sitting in the middle of the road.
What?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Is this them over here? Where the hell are you? I hear a horn. Where are you? What's the postal? Rifle.
It's over by.
Nearest person was 1036. Sorry, I didn't realize my mic was muted. And I was over here like 1036, 1036. I'm honking my horn. Oh wait, you can't hear me.
It's over by the freaking gas station.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Was that you shooting off fireworks?
Yeah, I was shooting off fireworks. They look pretty. You didn't see them?
They were nice, but as far as I know, you need to have a permit
Oh,
to
I
shoot
have
off
that.
fireworks. Especially something of that already let me just can I take that from you real quick and I'll just run it, make sure it's valid and everything.
Yeah, sure. Here it is.
Alrighty.
Alright, sir, how you doing today?
Hi. Good, how you doing?
Pretty good. Just trying to figure out what's going on here.
I guess I was shooting fireworks. He didn't like it.
Yeah. Probably not a good idea. Got a nice camper here. Just bought it?
Yeah, I just bought it. I went over to Mexico and got me some fireworks.
Alright. Where are those fireworks located at now?
They're all the way back here, though. They're like pallets of them.
Alright, well, we're gonna have to confiscate those.
But I have a permit.
Can I see that permit?
I've already seen it. It's valid. It's clean. It's clear.
Oh, okay, then never mind then. Well, I was just, I didn't hear that he had a permit thing, so I'm like, okay.
Yeah, sorry, that's my mind. I should have said
Yeah.
something.
Well, if you want a couple, I'll sell them for you for $50.
Sorry, no, sir. Only people that are licensed are able to have access or be able to shoot them off. Did you get clearance to be able to fire them off here?
I don't know. I just saw it say Bannon, so I figured no one would kill.
Alright, well, you have to go through the PD and get clearance to be like, let them know ahead of time, be like, hey, a fireworks show is going to be happening here. So if you hear loud explosions and stuff like that, don't freak out.
Yeah, they're in the L, so they can see them too.
Which, yeah, I mean, I understand that, but you also got to let them know that, hey, if you see fireworks coming from this area, don't go and rush over there, alright, sir?
Well, it's posted on the county's website for July the 4th.
I don't see anything that is actually posted for this location.
Alright. I'll pack up in a second.
I mean, I don't really see any issues for you being able to fire them off. I'd appreciate if you fired them off towards the water and not towards Sandy. That way, if there's anything that does happen, it's going to be over the water and it'll go in the water.
My God.
Yep.
My asshole is like a fucking... Oh my God.
I'm recording, thank you.
Oh shit. Oh my God. Never will again I eat that shit.
Alright, well, alright, sir, so, we don't really... I don't see any issues or anything of them, or of you shooting them off. Like I said, just shoot them off over the water. That way, if there's any shrapnel that comes down, just you can shoot it down or shoot it over there, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, baby, what we doing?
He shot off some fireworks, and we wanted to make sure that he was licensed and stuff like that.
He shot off fireworks. He's got license for fireworks? Who needs a license for fireworks?
Well, in the state of San Andreas, it's actually illegal to even possess fireworks or even shoot them off unless you are licensed.
License? Who needs to be a... Goddamn, they need a license for everything. What the fuck?
Yeah, ma'am. I mean, it's more of a safety precaution thing.
Babes, what you doing?
I don't know.
You just turned queer while I was taking a shit?
Alright, well, you guys have a lovely day. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of your guys' hair, alright?
Okay, sweet pie. You already switched. Oh, shit, babes. You already situate what was going on with them officers? What was going on, babes?
Stay back down. What's that?
Ow, baby, stop hitting me.
I'm trying.
I understand you want to tap that, but damn.
I was trying.
Oh, shit, you're walking up to me.
Hi.
Hey, babes, you want some pizza? You want to
What's
watch some SpongeBob?
We might want to keep our eyes on these people. They seem like they're up to no good.
Yeah, most definitely.
You want to watch some
Do you
SpongeBob?
see him
I'll
shooting
keep my
over
eye.
Sandy? Just let me know and we'll.
Do you got the fireworks, babe?
Yeah,
Yeah,
alright,
Because
yeah,
I don't see anybody, being able to allow to do
Fireworks
that.
is right here.
Babes, you got the fireworks? Oh, that's some nice fireworks right there, babes.
I did 27 in dispatch. I'm gonna be 10-8.
Babes,
I did
that's some nice
2704.
fireworks.
I'm gonna be 10-8.
So,
One chart 32, same traffic.
I don't like this.
Oh, there. Oh, there it is.
Babes, babes, I pulled it out the RV's ass.
Okay. Oh, what?
That truck just whipped. Oh my. Okay.
Oh, that was right over Sandy. Right over Sandy.
Hey, babes.
Did it,
I need additional
yeah, I
$6.
see it.
Pretty, babes. Oh, 4th of July! I love 4th of July! I love fucking independence!
Stop shooting the fireworks!
America, baby! Yes, babes! America!
Yo, stop shooting the fireworks!
Oh, shit! Oh, you almost had me shoot you. Damn, babes, you scared me.
I told you all to shoot him over the water, not over Sandy.
I
It is a
wasn't
very
notified of
hazard.
it.
I told him about it, and he's supposed to be the licensed person that's shooting him off.
I was shooting them over the water. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, well, then you should have been making sure that she isn't shooting him over there. If you're the one that's licensed to be able to do this, you should be telling everybody that's associated with you about it.
Well, she has a license too.
Can we see it? As she walks away.
Where you
Away
going?
like that.
Oh shit!
I don't.
Babes, why isn't the truck unlocked?
I don't know. She's
Thank you.
stealing my truck.
Stealing your truck, babes? I ain't stealing shit. You see this diesel guy, boys? This means America. America!
Oh God! What the fuck?
That has to be. It was so loud.
If you don't stop revving the damn truck, I'm gonna give you a damn fucking citation for vehicle excessive vehicle noise.
Nah, babes, you ain't gonna do shit.
You wanna watch me?
2024, babies.
Oh,
Listen, I agree with you, but turn the damn truck off.
Turn it on. Nah, babes, it's gotta warm up as diesel.
Well, you don't need to sit there and rev the damn truck.
Well, you know what? You want the engine to cut off? No, I don't want to be stuck here.
That's not my
Where
problem.
These people that can.
If your
problem,
vehicle
baby.
has
It's gonna
got
be your
issues
problem.
of staying running, you should probably call a tow truck.
Baby, it needs to warm up. It's cold as fuck out here. Now, can I help you? Why are you just staring?
Oh.
Oh, he's walking away. Okay, see?
Can I talk to you over here, officer?
Yep.
It wasn't needed to be done. Okay, baby, where he at?
What do
What's
you
going
want to do about these people?
Hey, baby, you want in? We gotta hook up the bank. We gotta hook up the trailer. We wanna hook up the trailer. We're gonna go to the mini mart and go get some food.
Well, the truck has to be legal excessive vehicle noises.
I mean, yeah, it probably is, but I mean...
Then she didn't show her license to prove that she can shoot off in fireworks.
Yeah.
And they're currently backing up, about to hit us. We might want to move.
Baby, you wanna shut the shit in the truck or in the camper?
I guess.
Yo, stop moving the vehicle around.
Baby, the world don't just stop for you. You know that.
Well, I mean, you are stopped right now because you are on a traffic stop, so you can't go anywhere.
Stop. I didn't see no wee-woos.
Do you not see the lights behind you?
Am I being detained?
Yes, ma'am, you are being detained at this time. I would like to see your firework license.
Am I under arrest?
You're not under arrest at this time, but I need you to display your, to show me your firework license. Because you were shooting fireworks over Sandy when we specifically told people that they are not allowed to be shooting them over Sandy.
Well,
So,
it's not his
I want
job
to
to
see.
notify me of what's going
I need to
on.
see your firework license. Make sure that it's valid.
Okay, 1 sec. Hey, babes, where'd you keep the firework license at? Is it in the RV?
It's in the back trunk.
The back trunk?
Yeah.
Like
it's
the
back
tailgate?
trunk. Let me find it 1 sec. I think I got yours, pal.
You do?
Yeah.
Ma'am, stop
Where you
moving the
going?
vehicle.
He don't realize the world don't just stop for him. Does he, babes? He don't understand the world don't just stop for him.
Where you going? We're supposed to be law-abiding citizens.
We are, baby. We ain't doing nothing wrong. We ain't on no pavement. We're on off-road property. This is our property. It's public property. We can go wherever we want, baby.
They're hitting the trailer now.
No, they better not be hitting no trailer. They gonna have to pay for that shit. But see, now they can pull me over. I'm on government property right now.
What the fuck?
Jesus Christ, so fucking bright. Can't see shit, baby. All the damn hazards on, baby.
I don't know.
Are the hazards? Oh no, fixed it.
Get out of the damn truck.
I know, baby. I don't feel safe out there with you. You seem like you want to tittle my diddle. You want to abuse a
Ma'am,
nice woman
I don't
like
want to
me.
tittle anything that you have.
Baby, you seem like you want to touch me in the wrong places.
If you don't get out of
I
this
just don't
damn
feel
truck,
safe.
I'm going to rip you out of this damn truck.
No. You can't do that.
I told you, do not move the truck, and what did you do?
You know what? I moved.
You moved it. That's all you can say is you moved it.
Yes, I
You
moved.
do not understand how to follow simple commands. I asked for your damn firework license,
I've already seen that.
and you haven't gave it.
You know the world ain't stopping for you, baby.
If you don't display your firework license, I'm going to be arresting you for shooting illegal fireworks.
Okay, 1 sec. I'll give you the firework license. As long as I can stay in the vehicle, I cooperate with you.
Oh, what the
Get her
fuck?
firework license. I'm gonna go and see what the other dude's doing.
Alright.
So you get, baby, you getting the pizza back there?
No, I think I crashed.
Oh shit, baby.
He's sleeping.
Codezilla.
Can you find your license, miss?
What's that? I'm trying to find it.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about the wait, but you know, fucking Freddy don't know where to put shit. That's my nickname for him. There you go. There you go.
By the way, ma'am, you know your guys' side wing is open, right? And so is your trunk.
Oh yeah, I knew. I
So
had to
why
move it over.
why are you moving the vehicle
they
when
got-
it's open?
Sir, the little trunk thing's got little wheels on it, so that'd be perfectly fine. The side wing's perfectly fine. I was moving like 20 miles an hour, not even that.
You're
I was trying
driving
to
on
pull over
public
on the
roadway
road.
now, and you have it open. It's illegal. So if you're gonna move any farther from here, you need to close it.
Well, yes, I was gonna close it, but you know, I kind of can't. I don't want to get out the car whenever you know that'd be threatening. You don't know what the fuck I got on me. I don't want to make you boys worry. Think I'm one of them people that carry a gun and then just go shooting people. For no
Ma'am, I don't
fucking
go and
reason.
shoot people at all. Unless something happens.
No, I'm saying me. I'm not saying you.
Well, I hope you don't just go shoot people.
And there's people out there that do that. And
Looks like your husband's been taking a nap back there in the camper.
yeah, he's probably sleepy. Wake his ass up 1 sec. Wake up!
What the fuck are you doing? I'm trying to sleep back here.
That license is valid.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. Well, can you run her information, make sure that she's got a valid driver's license?
Yep. Okay, your license registration proof of insurance, please.
Make sure
Did
that
you
this
already have
fucking...
the registration and all that shit before?
No, we never searched the vehicle. You're on public roadway now.
Yeah, that was the whole reason why I moved over here. And it appears your Dodge over there, your piece of shit Dodge is over there overheating.
Yeah. It's probably because I had to run like 120 just to come back over here because I heard fireworks shooting over Sandy.
Looks like it's overheating. You might want to solve that. It might catch a
Can I
fire.
get your name for that license?
Well, you need the name. You don't need the license.
Well, I need the license and I need the name to verify the license.
Oh well, why the fuck would I? Okay. Why don't you just look at the picture?
What the hell are you doing? I was trying to sleep back there. Good lord, lady.
Don't worry, baby. You're okay.
You know people have work
course.
in the morning.
Of course.
Yeah, blame these motherfuckers. I mean, blame these sweethearts.
At least we get paid about a couple grand shooting these fireworks off.
Right, getting rid of them.
Of course. You'll never.
I can't see shit.
You'll be alright. She's bright as hell. I wanted to make sure that I could see if you guys can fart or not. Like, if you fart, I want to be able to see. Yeah.
Oh Jesus! Babe, you wanna go get me a slice of pizza? Go grab the pizza box.
My car just over there.
Already,
just, like,
everything up for
smoking.
name, everything comes back clean and clear.
Alright, is the vehicle come back clean and clear?
I can't read the plate.
You can't read the plate.
Because there's a trailer. It's just a small one.
Seems like you can read it from here.
Jesus Christ! I think I got a shit.
Is there a plate on the front end? No.
I swear to God, if I gotta go shit again, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, can we hurry this up? 'Cause I got
The
shit.
license plate's 06 MRB
Or you can hold it up with donut.
940. Alright. Come back over here. Hello. Rifle.
Hey, donut, I'll be back. I'm gonna go sit in the back seat.
Get the fuck out of my truck.
Rifle.
Okay, I'll be back. You deal with him.
There we go. I don't know what just that
Alright, so what do we want to do?
I say we just let him go.
Alright, sir, before I can let you go, I need you to close everything on this camper.
Alright now.
My car is like so dead it won't climb this hill. Come on, make it to the station so we can get a new car.
Don't know why these front lights are just not turning off.
What? Oh, I turned on your takedowns. Hold shift and press H.
I gotta be in the vehicle, by the way.
There you
It
go.
was hurting my eyes. It's like, ah!
And then if you hit L, that'll turn on your spotlight. Hit L again and it'll turn it off.
Radar key enabled, radar key disabled.
Look, I can even turn on a spotlight that does the car that doesn't even have a spotlight, and even takedowns.
Does it move though?
Yeah. So you see your 6 keys above your arrow keys.
Yeah.
Your delete key, or the DEL, which is a delete, and your end key moves the spotlight around. I'm going out on patrol.
Damn. Well, dang. When did Sandy Shores be able to afford such nice police cars?
I don't know.
What the fuck is your plane right now?
You know what? Why don't you just brake check me, okay?
Do you not know how to stop?
No mouse and keyboard, I don't. Not quick enough. Uh-oh.
Fucking AI, move it, ho. Don't sit there and stop in the middle of the fucking road.
First time finally out of Sandy Shore since the RP started. There's a guardrail there.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to find a good spot to run radar.
I'm gonna get my good old spot on 68. And I really do hope it stays this quiet.
My dude. You need to be a little farther up. There you go.
So loud. So you always wear your seatbelt, kids.
wonder if I can get rid of this fucking computer monitor.
Oh god, oh, I'm dead. Dead. Yep. No, not dead.
Yep. Good.
I tried turning quick enough, but I was going just a tad bit too fast.
Hopefully you didn't die.
Hope it stays this quiet on 68.
Yep, it will. My truck is very quiet.
Dispatch, show me a ATM 1011 on a red Ford F-250.
10-4.
You know what?
What?
Start blurp this out of the road.
You can't stop?
Not exactly. Start blurp this out of the road.
Let me find someone, 1 sec.
This thing will gap you. Okay? Pull over. Dispatch, show me on a pursuit on Grand Sonora or Sonora Freeway. Nearest postal is 956.
Oh, I feel better. Just a tad. What's going on?
What, nothing?
Oh shit, baby, what's going on? Why we ain't got no lights on, baby?
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired,
Oh
shots
shit,
fired.
baby, give me the Uzi!
We have lights on? Or had?
Here, baby, give me the bottle of booze in the back.
Shots fired.
Yeah, they are.
We're continuing northbound on Sonora Freeway. Any additional?
Yep.
You said
Molotovs,
northbound Sonora
stay up,
Freeway.
throw
Ooh,
Molotovs. Sonora Freeway, northbound. And they just shot my tire.
What you
I'm off
mean, Route 1 or 13?
It says Sonora Freeway on the thing, but they're in Paleto Bay by now.
Northbound Sonora Freeway. Great Ocean Highway. Got any more alcohol back there?
Yeah, some. We got cases of it.
Where'd that? I think that copper died. Just keep going.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
Don't crash, baby. Isn't that your work back there, baby?
No. I don't work there right now. We might can go camp out on it for a second or two.
Jesus, I feel sorry for the diesel.
Oh yeah.
What's this
Fucking
one?
these high revs ain't good for it.
I am.
Oh,
sure
I
this
put
time.
diapers on.
There was a
Continuing
reckless
Sonora
vehicle
Freeway.
spotted going southbound Great Ocean Highway.
And I forgot to put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, same thing happened to me.
Oh shit.
Damn, all the cops are dying.
So they're going southbound. I'm on northbound and I haven't seen any action yet.
Yeah, same here.
One's on the other side.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I've done past Paleto Bay. There's no eyes of anything suspicious at this time.
Oh shit. Right. God.
Darn.
I don't know what that character was. I didn't save it.
Oh shit, I have the vehicle here. I got the vehicle here.
What's your 1020?
We're gonna be going. What is this? Panorama.
Oh yes, you're close.
Oh, we got bombs! Holy shit!
Throw the goddamn pipe bombs, baby.
They got one of my tires.
Take the pipe bombs and blow them some bitches up.
I've lost eyes. I have no idea how to get off their tail because they're shooting.
Oh damn it, donuts! Donut, calm down with it.
I'm not shooting it more though.
Oh. Here, wait. I would have moved channels. It would be a donut.
Did you move?
Can I get some additional?
Drag donut for some reason.
What's your
donut?
20?
Why can't I drag you?
Can I get additional to yellow jack if possible? I'm gonna clear this place out. Oh, shots fired inside the building. Shots fired inside the building.
I take that back. Never mind. We gotta stay up in here.
They're TMV, you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Shots fired inside the building.
Nope, wrong one.
Fucking die, bitches!
Okay, I just saw blood get splattered on that door there. Oh, yep, there
Get
is.
the fuck out of hell!
There is people there. What you thinking, Turp?
San Andreas State Police, come out with your hands up!
Baby, where you at?
Hell no!
Get ready to clip this. Do soon. Wish we had SWAT.
Going into clear.
You'd be dumb to push through that door right there.
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
There's one. I believe he's dead. Yep, blood is a SWAT. Blood is dead. He's dead.
Go, if we can.
Get the fuck out of here, baby!
Back, far back, far back.
Baby, get the fuck out of here! I'll shoot you!
Come out with your hands up, San Andreas State Police!
Maybe don't make me shoot you!
She's far back by the snakes. By the snake.
Don't make me shoot you, bitch!
You better make me proud!
Better grind down the way.
Yes.
Baby, don't make me light this liquor on fire and throw it at your ugly ass.
She's far back corner.
Hey, stop it!
You gotta
Can't
throw a
see
little.
me. Don't
Yeah,
make
I
me shoot your
I
ass.
can hear you.
I need additional 1032s to my location. We're gonna be at the Yellow Jack. We have people held hostage inside.
That work.
Just walks out.
10-4 additional.
We got fire being thrown, or bottles being
Bad
thrown.
bitch! Get the fuck out of here!
We have a active fire in here.
Step back, step back.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. And
That don't sign them, they don't smell good. You have contact?
watch it. I'm going over the counter.
Cover that.
Maybe not.
It's definitely spicy. You better watch out. Oh, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
Watch.
Up to your hands, up to your hands, up to your hands.
Let me
San
see your
Andreas
hands.
State Police!
Ah!
Shots fired, shots fired. Don't say that. I can't put me in the shotgun. Like Pepsi and
Bitch,
Arthur's.
aren't you dead? I shot you in the face!
Oh!
I'm additional. I don't know what you're talking about. All partners over there are dead. He dead as hell.
Oh, where's the other one at? And there was two here.
He's right there. I also killed him. You
Oh.
need to get on your game. I took 3 shots and I still was able to shoot her.
Oh, so you killed him the first round?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Yeah, she's dead, 100%. Let's
Yeah,
go
man.
corner. Oh,
1 Charlie
God.
32 dispatch.
Charlie said too good.
Can we have 2 corner? Trucks coming to the Yellow Jack at I can't see the postal because my Yellow Jacket at Sandy Shores.
Where are you?
It's gonna be 949.
949. There we go. Yeah, you're definitely gonna have to, you know what I'm saying, right? You're gonna have to send me that clip so that I can go on SCSRP TikTok.
I'm right now.
Yeah, I know. I'm just plugging. Just y'all know. For day open, we have Xbox and FiveM open at this time.
By the way, guys, if you guys want to join us on here, let me just pre-roll that video so you guys can go and get that wonderful thing.
What the hell even is that?
Because when the sun shines,
I have this old lady with saggy titties standing really close to me as she's walking towards me.
said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath that I'm stick it out till the end. Now that it's
Nasty.
Hi, yeah. Oh, hell. Alright, I mean, what do we want to do here? I mean, we called corner on them. I mean, there's not much.
I guess we're good to go. I mean,
Alright, well, it's been
switch
hella
timer.
long.
Switch timer. Switch it. Whoa.
Let me see this vehicle real quick.
Okay.
I'm just gonna run you over real quick.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Don't mess with me in the shotgun. I've only missed once, and that was today. Spotlight out of nowhere.
Alright, so we're gonna go do some voodoo magic real quick.
You know, I'm gonna fix your car.
My car should be fixed. Oh, what the hell is happening? Oh, there it goes.
Uh-oh.
Alright, Johnny Poppers, thanks for staying tuned and watching this. It's almost an hour long. So let me make sure. Let me see. Are they in here with us still? Yeah, or no, they aren't. Let's drop down to lobby 2 real quick.
Copy.
I'm gonna restart VMAX.
Alright, hey, I'm going to head and end this video, so if y'all want to say anything.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Let's shoot him.
Alright, well, Johnny Poppers, with that being said, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and peace.